All right, so I got some incense burning here, and the incense I have, it's called lavender and white sage. So I thought I would sing incense and peppermints. Why not? Uh, White sage fragrances make way for new beginnings by cleansing all negative energies. Lavender fragrance is considered ideal to combat depression, sadness, and heal. This combination is often used to protect and heal sacred spaces and as blessings for new ventures. Well, that's what I got in there now. It's a good fragrance. I got that at Treasures yesterday. Aromatherapy. Okay, so I got my microphone hooked up to my karaoke box. I got at a secondhand store a couple of years ago, just for a few bucks, and it works good. It works pretty good. Right, Bobby? Yeah. All right, so let's try this. Practice for karaoke. Whoop. There. That's better. Right. Okay. All right. Let's give this a whirl. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So March 8th, 2024. And says it's snowing and it's 0. Well, it did snow a bit. Yeah, but not right now. What's this?
Yeah, doesn't love exercising, but loves the...
That's not the one. Here it is. Does anybody out there get frustrated with all these commercials?
Helps 3 issues with 1 answer. I recognize Sensodyne sensitivity gum and an
2, 1. Alright, let's give this a whirl. Strawberry Alarm Clock, 1967. It was 3. Good. Good sense, innocence, crippling and kind. Dead kings, many things I can define. Occasion, spice, sweat, and blushes your mind. Incense and peppermints, the color of time. Who cares what games we choose? Little to win, but nothing to lose. Incense and peppermints, meaningless nouns. Turn on, tune in, turn your eyes around. Look at yourself, look at yourself. Yeah, yeah. Look at yourself, look at yourself. Yeah, yeah. Turn a bike, cockeyed world into. Throw your pride to one side, it's the least you can do. Deep nicks in politics, nothing is new. A yardstick for lunatics, one point of view. Who cares what games we choose? Little to win, but nothing to lose. I think Homer Simpson sang this once. I'm not sure. Good sense, innocence, crippled and kind. Dead kings and many things I can define. Occasion, spice, sweat, and blushes your mind. Incense and peppermints, the color of time. Who cares what games we choose? Little to win, but nothing to lose. Sha-la-la, 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 sha-la-la. Okay, well, I don't know. I could be up for karaoke for that one. Oh, hey, I like this song. She's come undone. She's like, oh. There's no words. Can't do it. Forget it.
She's come undone.